What's up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. I know I've been absent for a very long time, but I'm planning on posting consistently again. As you can notice, my hair is undone. It's in its afro state. I recently washed my hair. Before that I was wearing some braids and some wigs, but now that my hair is out and I'm not wearing anything, I kind of don't really know what I should do. So I figured today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my sleek bun, and I'm also gonna add some ponytail hair as well. I'm going to section off my hair but kind of detangle it a little bit, mostly probably the back area, and then we'll add some products to it. I could go in with my hair wet, but because it's gonna be in a ponytail, I kind of don't want to do it right away. I'm gonna spray the perimeter of my hair with water a little bit just to make it easier to manage. Then I'm gonna add some leave-in conditioner. I'm not the type to go in with too much gel, honestly, just because I don't know if gel is that much healthy for your hair. So I'd rather add more conditioner than gel. So I'm gonna keep sleeking and adding more conditioner. Start brushing. I realize I don't even have a mirror. Hold on. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel. The gel that I have is more like a curly gel. I believe it's one to do wash and goes, but that's the only one I have, and that's what I'm gonna use. I know some people use Got To Be Glue spray to have the ponytail stay better, but I feel like the spray kind of leave a white cast on my hair, so I'm not gonna do that. Just keep brushing. My hair is not fully detangled, but I don't think that the hair matters. As long as the outside is sleek without adding too many products, that's all I care about. I also don't want to douse my hair in gel. Okay, that's better. Like another rubber band, wrap it around really tight. If you want to do baby hairs, you can. I'm not a big fan of baby hairs. I add a little more gel just to sleep the rest. Just a little bit of baby hairs, not too much. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my silk scarf and just wrap the perimeter of my hair, just so it lays flat. Okay, now I have this ponytail that I'm gonna use. It's basically leftover braiding hair that I just put into a rubber band. Hopefully I could get it right because I've never done it. I put the rubber band and the center of the hair and just made a loop that I'm gonna attach to my bun. Off the top. I'm gonna take one weft of hair and just wrap it around the ponytail just to make it look more natural. So I basically took some pieces on top and just spin it on the bun just so it doesn't choke. And that's how it looks. It literally didn't even take me that long, probably 10 minutes. So if you're in a rush and you have some leftover braiding hair, that could be your new hairstyle. Alright, that's all for today. Just stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, and subscribe, and support your girl. Have a wonderful day, guys.